Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is September 14th, 2024, and this is my weekly market review. We're reviewing S&P 500, that's SPY, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only because, as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. Get training. All right. Let me minimize this, let me resize this, and maximize this quarterly chart. All right, on this quarterly chart, let's zoom in a little bit here. The SPY is green. I think the SPY has been green the whole while, this little pullback that we had. How did the SPY move this much and turn green? I don't know. I have to go back to the video and look. I just look and see what I see. What I see right now is a green SPY. I see green SPY above a yearly R2 and looking forward to be going higher based on what we see here on this quarterly chart. Everything is good. All right, let's go down to the monthly chart and see what we see there. On the monthly chart, let's zoom in a little bit here. We know on this monthly chart this thing had dropped down a little bit and it has pulled back up. It's back near its all-time high, trading just below this quarterly R1, and I believe it can break this quarterly R1 this month, and let's see if that actually happens. But that's what I see here. We are above the 9-10 moving average, so we are still in a bull market. Everything is still good. That pullback never did come down. Again, it didn't come down close to the 10. It stayed quite a bit above the 10 and the 9 and gave us nice bottom and nice reversal that we'll see down here on this weekly chart. Let's go down to the weekly chart and see what we see here on this weekly chart. As we can see, we have had this little pattern, this evening star forming up here, but we didn't get any follow through on that evening star pattern. So that was the thing there. So since we didn't get the evening star, it was way off above, actually really coming down, as we saw on the 9-10 moving average on the monthly chart. So upside was still kind of in play, but you had to be cautious about the downside. That was the whole thing. Where we're going to get a follow through? Was this what's going on in this market in September? All that stuff. But now we have broken previous week high. We didn't make a lower low, and now we're getting a higher high. We just got a previous candle that was red, and now we have a green candle. That's why, again, this market is still looking pretty strong to me. And I'm looking forward now to break this high of this previous pattern that we looked at, and then see if we can break all-time highs. I'm back on the all-time highs again. Yep, that's me, always looking for all-time highs. And because again, I'm just always looking for all-time highs. It's one of those things that a lot of times the stocks that we do trade, they do end up making all-time highs. It's just the strategy and the style of trading that we have at Right Side Trading, the style and strategy that I do. Also, if I'm playing stocks, I look for them to make all-time highs and stuff. But that's what I see here and that's what we're doing. Let's go down to the daily noise and go ahead and wrap this up. On the daily noise, I'll zoom in a little bit here on the daily noise, and we're getting this pattern again. I'll say it again. V-shaped bottoms and all. This is one of the patterns that I was seeing back in the Obama era and all, where we get these crazy drops down, and it always drops down crazy to me anyway. But then we get in the crazy pullback ups, But the thing is, candle patterns. All your other indicators do help and give you the confirmation that you need, but candle patterns is kind of for me, I try to tell people candle patterns is a leading indicator, but still use your other indicators for your confirmation. Because again, candle patterns can fake you out, but here the candle pattern was a harami, bullish harami in the right location near a bottom after a drop and you didn't get, again, you didn't get the full confirmation that you want on this next day. A lot of times you want to see that candle, you want that confirmation to be above a close above that candle pattern high, and you didn't get that until the second day but after that it did follow through, and that's why again I'm seeing us back here at these highs. But you got to be cautious. You have to be back at the top. We're going to get back here at the top and supply is going to come in, are you going to run into a little resistance in this thing turning over on us? We got to see a close above these areas right here. We're going to have to wait and see what's going to happen on Monday if you didn't get to play this on the way up. But that's it. That's all I really see on this. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.